Anglers Extra.
Back here on the Anglers Extra pregame show, it's time for the catch of the day. I'm Keith Zubro. Today we have Ryan Leach. Ryan, first, welcome to the Cape. How's it been so far?
It's been a good experience so far. Met a lot of new guys, had some good experiences on the field, played some good baseball. It's been fun.
Come from Franklin Pierce. What's it like playing at Franklin Pierce compared to playing on the Cape?
It's a big step up. I mean, we play good ball in D2, and we just came off the World Series, so we've been playing some good players. But this Cape League's obviously the best players in the country, and it's been fun so far. Just had to make a little adjustments, work all my pitches and all the counts.
So what was that college World Series experience like for you?
It was fun. Definitely the best experience I've had in college so far. Just being there with a team, accomplishing something great like that, it's just always fun.
You've been Mr. Consistent out of the pen so far. What's the secret?
I'm just trying to stay ahead in counts and work all my pitches in, keep batters off balance, keep them guessing.
Is there an approach you take, one on the mound, aside from that, and trying to get ahead, and what do you do usually?
Yeah, usually I try and focus hard on that first batter, getting the first one out, command the strike zone. That's big here, just kind of getting ahead of batters. And they seem to be taking pitches early, looking for fastballs late.
Well, it's working.
Yeah, it's working so far.
So do you kind of get an idea when you're going to come into a game, in what kind of moment you'll be in?
It seems like it's been sort of like the 6th through the 8th inning, so I've been pretty ready for it. Usually we get an inning advance on when we're supposed to go in, so it's been pretty easy.
What's it like hanging out with the guys down there in the bullpen?
Bullpen's always a blast. It's a good time early on in the game, and then we kind of lock in late, but it's been fun.
I think everybody knows that Joe Goodman is kind of the clown of the group, but who's the most serious?
Probably Aaron Garza. He keeps it pretty serious down there, but Goodman mixes it up with some clowny acts.
I think everybody can see him in the background right now. What are some of your favorite things to do on the Cape so far?
I like to go to the beach a lot. Like a lot of guys go out. We work out too in the mornings, and there's a lot of good places to eat too. So.
What's your favorite so far?
I go to Chatham Cookware.
What's the go-to meal there?
I go with the No Wake. It's a grilled chicken.
I actually had that last week.
Yep, good sandwich.
So that's pretty good. What's it like playing with guys from the West Coast and you're from Maine?
Yeah, it's a different kind of breed of guys. Pretty big difference between like guys I know from Maine and guys from California. Pretty laid-back guys. Just love to play the game.
But yes, through and through, it's a fun group to be around.
Yeah, it's a great group of guys. Having a lot of fun.
Well, thank you, Ryan, and we'll send it back up to Brandon Lee Paper for more of the